Hello human. Welcome. Today, NTR Fast Track. Interactive Audio Reactive Instance System. Based on POPs. Ready. Start. Data network. Constant chop. 2 channels. X500. Y500. We will need this later. Trust me. Data network. Done. Pixel network. Create ramp top. Common page. Resolution. X, connect constant chop channel 1. Y, connect constant chop channel 2. Input smoothness. Nearest pixel. Pixel format. 32-bit float RGBA. Create flip top. Flop. Button left. Create reorder top. Input 1. Connect ramp. Input 2. Connect flip. Reorder. Output red. Input 1 red. Output green. Input 2 green. Output blue. Input 3 blue. We will need input 3 later. Trust me. Input 1 alpha. Connect to null top. Call it instance. Now we have a classic grid. Red channel. Horizontal position. Green channel. Vertical position. Perfect for instancing. Movie file in top. Select image or video. Connect to fit top. Fit. Fit outside. Common page. Resolution. X, connect constant chop channel 1. Y, connect constant chop channel 2. Input smoothness. Nearest pixel. Pixel format. 32-bit float RGBA. Connect to null. Connect to level. Copy level. Level 1. RGBA page. Low B 1. High B 0.77. Project saved. Check. Constant chop connected to resolution. Critical. Otherwise instancing will fail. Connect level top to input 3 reorder top. Level top 2. This is for grading. Connect to null. Call it color. Pixel network. Done. Mental break. Look outside of your window. Can you see the birds? Render network. Before we start, basic render setup video available. Link above. Save time. Or build with me. Box SOP. Size. X 0.005. Y 0.005. Z 0.005. Small boxes. Big impact. Connect to geometry comp, translate. X minus 0.5. Y minus 0.1. Z 0. Create camera comp, translate. X 0. Y 4. Z 10. View page. Projection. Orthographic. Ortho width 1.11. Create null comp, put on camera comp, look at. Create light comp, translate. -3. 4, 3. Rotate. -35. -25. 0, dimmer 3. Shadow. Off. Light is everything. No color without light. No perspective without shadows. If you want to learn more about it, write it in the comments. Create render top. Anti-alias. 8x medium. Or high. If your machine can handle it. Otherwise 4x. Advanced page. Cull face. Back face. Common page. Resolution 1280 by 1280. Pixel format 16-bit float RGBA. Why 16-bit? Enough quality. Half the memory. 32-bit only for extreme color grading. Create Phong MAT. Drop on geomaterial. Ambient use is diffuse. Off. Diffuse. 0.8, 0.8, 0.8, ambient. 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, specular. 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, shininess. 4. Transform top. Connect to render. Background color. 0.067, 0.067, 0.067, alpha 1. Comp over BG. On. Render network. Done. Mental break. Hydrate your human body. Everything is based on water. Export and display network. Connect to null. Pane options. Split left right. Pane type. Top viewer. Null top. Display on. Connect to movie file out. Type. Movie. Video codec. MPEG 4. Or whatever you want. Export network. Done. 80% complete. Almost an artist. Connections. Go to Geo Instance page 1. Default instance OP, put instance top in field. Translate X, R, translate Y, G, translate Z, B, red drives horizontal. Green drives vertical. Blue drives depth. RGB becomes XYZ. Instance page 2. Color OP, put color top in field. R to R, G to G, B to B. Now you see colors of your input. Bonus. Video in. Flip X. On. Mirror mode. Your brain will thank you. Connect to fit. Now you see yourself. Beautiful. Level 1. High B and low B controls pixel height. Want audio reactive? Here's your parameter. Level top 2. Grade your input material. Fine adjustment. Now you can do crazy effects. Like this. Or this. Or this. Wow. Crazy effects. Wow. Post network. For post-process. NTR_glow. More punch and highlights. Your instance system. Finished. Congratulations. Now you are an artist. If you have questions, write in comments. If not, subscribe. Support NTR on Patreon. Tools. Templates. This project file. Every month. New content. New tools. New project files. What I use daily. Tested by other artists. Link below. Never trust robots. Fast track. Go create.